Hi there, how are you all? Today I come up with the new review video of Siemens dishwasher. In this pandemic situation, everyone facing workload in daily chores. So I think it's the best gift I have received on my birthday. In this video, I will explain you its technical specifications, about installation, a quick demo, and finally I will give my reviews and ratings for this dishwasher. So let's unbox it. It is freestanding dishwasher, so we are keeping it near kitchen sink. Dishwasher comes with cable, inlet outlet pipe, user manual and 2 trial dishwashing tablets. Dishwasher's model number is given here. As inlet pipe was not reaching up to the tap, we have to buy extra inlet pipe, and this is how we connected inlet pipe to the tap. This is AquaStop. This system prevents water damage of any kind. The moment a leak is detected, AquaStop immediately shuts off the water supply directly at the tap. We need 15 ampere socket for power connection. It has 3 baskets, from which this is the lower basket, and they have provided foldable spikes here. This is middle basket and same foldable spikes are provided here. You can fold down the side shelves also. In this dishwasher, they have provided separate cutlery tray in place of the cutlery basket. This is the spray head. It cleans the cutlery in upper tray. These are the 2 spray arms. And this is a salt dispenser. At the bottom of the dishwasher, there is a filter. It can be removed and cleaned. Here 2 compartments are given with markings to add detergent and rinse aid. I have loaded the utensils. There are various programs available and have button lock also. Now I will give you a quick demo. And after washing cycle, you can see the results. These are the equivalent machines available in the market. 2 models from Bosch and 1 is from LG. I will give review on these factors. So washing and drying quality is good. I have given 3.5 stars for drying quality because when we immediately open the machine after washing cycle, I found some water droplets on the tray and some utensils. But we can tackle this problem by waiting for some time after washing cycle is done, so that temperature also cools down and we will get fully dry utensils. Its noise level is 46 dB, so it is quite silent for most of the washing cycles. The machine has IQ drive motor. It consumes lower energy with identical performance. Its energy consumptions per cycle is 0.92 kWh. And let's talk about water consumption. In Eco program, it needs 11 to 14 liters of water per cycle. 10-year warranty against rusting throughout the inside tub of dishwasher. For this machine, they have provided lifetime warranty against water damage, and with additional warranty, dishwasher will be repaired free of charge even after 3 years of manufacturer's warranty. And customer service is good, available countrywide. So overall it is good machine. I think I have cleared most of the things. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comments below. You can check my another video on how to use Siemens dishwasher. I have explained in details there. Its link flashing up, or end of this video you will get the link. So that's it for today. My name is Dhanashri. I thank you so much for watching.